welcome to Finextra. I'm Hannah Wallace and we're here at EBAday 2018 in Munich. Joining me now is Ilkka Korkiakoski of Tieto, and we're going to be discussing the payments ecosystem. Hello Ilkka, how are you enjoying the event so far?
Thank you, very well. It's been a great event here.
And now can you tell me, who are the main stakeholders in this new instant, inclusive and interoperable digital ecosystem that we're seeing involved today?
When you think about through sort of a new payment ecosystem, I think it's all kind of collaborative initiatives. It requires collaboration between banks, merchants, central banks, fintech community. I think it all comes through collaboration. Thinking the interoperability in these national payment ecosystems, that requires a body, say central bank, who is or payment or as banks association, who is really sort of governing the central piece like rule books and sort of standards. And then I think any payment ecosystem in today's world is by nature sort of global also, so it's exposed to global. So we need to also make sure that it's globally accessible and the APIs and standards are kind of understood outside a particular country, for instance.
All right, and can you elaborate on how the ecosystem become a nationwide solution?
Yes, if I take in a way our experience from Nordics, we've been developing together the Finnish community. Tieto, we are now developing Swiss in Sweden and supporting other Nordic instant payment ecosystem. I think the national or instant payment and national kind of payment ecosystem typically starts with the kind of objective that you are somehow changing the way of working, say creating a real-time payments and then enabling new type of services and new type of kind of payment processes, and also then later on kind of introducing new value-added services. They could be e-authentication, e-signatures, e-receipts and the likes. And when you think about the digital payment ecosystem, that always also requires a kind of a collaboration and central body. And I think quite often the key contributors are retail banks, central banks and merchants who are mainly benefiting of the new ecosystem.
And of course there are a number of stakeholders within any ecosystem, but with this comes clashing interests. How then is it possible to find a common ground, do you think?
Again, taking from our experiences, what I've also kind of learned from many other, these 30+ instant payment initiatives globally. First you need to focus in this collaborative area common denominators that can be rule books, standards, common services, common platforms, and then look at in a way where you can create common benefits and efficiency for the ecosystem. And then outside these common areas, you need to also kind of support and enable innovation and competition. So it's kind of balancing between where you can create synergies and efficiency and where you can enable innovation and competition.
Ilkka, it's been a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.